Alright, so welcome back to White House Farm. Just like with our apples, we've been making pear, everything. Cannon pears, pies for, pears for jam, dehydrated pears. We're also going to make, what today's video is, some pear cider vinegar, because nothing goes to waste here. So we're going to use some of the scraps there, and we're going to do 4 half-gallon containers here. We got some water boiling over in the teapot. But first thing we want to do is add 4 tablespoons of sugar to each one. Just like we did with the apple cider vinegar. You can check that video out too. And the reason we add the sugar is to help with the fermentation process, because the natural yeast that are on the pear skins will actually start to eat away at the sugar, and that turns sugar into alcohol and it ferments it. Alright, so we got some hot boiling water here, and this will help dissolve the sugar, that way it's not clumped down in there. And we'll make a little mess with the water. And we'll give it a quick stir. Alright. So now the fun part. These are all from the pears. Pear strings. Still coming. And you want to fill them up about halfway. Now we want to top this off with water, right up to the first ring there. Alright, there we go. So now we're going to cut some cheesecloth to go ahead and cover these. And we're just going to use the rings. So we just doubled over the cheesecloth. And we'll put that on there. There we go. And that'll keep any bugs and stuff out of there and protect it. And also it'll allow it to ferment and bubble, like the gases can escape. If you kept one of these on, it would explode on you. And that would be really bad. So this is, you're going to be your whole setup just like this. Let's finish the rest. Alright, so these are all set. You can go ahead and store them in a cool place. And every other day, I mean, you can do every day if you want, but every other day, just make sure to, God bless you. Just make sure to use a spoon and stir it and move these down because it's going to flow it up here. And you don't want it sitting up on top because then it could start to mold. So that's why you stir it every other day, or you can do every day if you have the time. And that'll prevent it from molding on you. And you only need to do that for about a week or so, and you should be all set. These will be ready within 1 to 3 months, and you'll have your pear cider vinegar. Alright, so we'll move these downstairs. We're all set here. Make sure to check out all of our videos on all of our pear, apple, home good stuff. We make all types of different things and foods and cheeses and all types of stuff here on the farm. So make sure to check us out. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to hit that like button. Doesn't cost you a thing. Just go ahead and hit it. Helps the channel out. So we're all set here. So once again, we hope you like, enjoy, subscribe, and as usual, we'll see you on the next one. Alright, bye guys.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me.
Alright, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. Alright, bye, Obo.
Bye, guys.